Yeah, there is no bait right now for me to get. So another reason why I like to come prepared with at least a couple pinfish or grunts. Now I did have a blue crab out, but he got picked dry by what pinfish were here. So some people might look at this as an unsuccessful fishing trip today, but I don't, because I've never been here when it's a low tide like this. So I see this as a good thing too, or I can turn it into a good thing, because now with the tide being as low as it is, I now see all the good little pockets that could be holding fish that you're not going to see when it's high tide. So it's always a good thing to get out to some of the spots that you want to fish. Get out there at low tide. Just watch it. Bring a sandwich. But see what's going on. I'm glad I came here at low tide because now I see all the pockets that could be holding potential fish once the tide comes in. Some people might view this trip today as not a good one, but not me.